See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Hello, you are welcome to this class. In this class, we're going to look at a political attack from Festus Keyamo. He wrote something on S. From what he write, we know who they talk about. I don't want to talk about this at all. Until I see this evening say, Bangladesh don't carry him. They thought say someone has accepted to be vice presidential candidate. Keyamo throws jabs. I said, okay, we'll go talk about her. Now the thing be this, wait till he write. He said, finally, the chicken is coming home to roast. I understand that someone, you know, great talk the name, somewhere has drafted and redrafted the statement he will release to hoodwink his supporters on why he has accepted to be vice presidential candidate after a primaries that he knows has long been concluded. Meaning, allegedly, for me, ADC, where Atiku dey, they don't conclude the primary say na Atiku go carry the battle. He knows say no get place for there. He know the right as go convince his followers. Say, this is the reason why I need to accept the VP slot. He has written and turned drafts, see? Drafts upon drafts containing the normal gibberish of my desire to rescue Nigeria, blah, blah, blah. It's a tough one for him, but we are excited at the prospect of unmasking a true turncoat and a fraud at the coming campaigns. See the comments after this tweet to identify those whose raw nerves have been seriously affected. Indirectly, go and check this comment section, that comment section under this post to see people where go react. Because he know what they talk about. He knows people go decode them. Just as I decode who he refer to. You understand? My own be this. We know done now. We know Senator Peter Obuo they talk about Abi. Okay, no wahala. Now, my question is simple. Why is the ruling party so focused on this man called Peter Obuo? Why not Kwakwanso? Why not Atiku himself? For other reasons. Why not Amici? Why not Erufa? Why not others? Why always Peter Obuo? The reason is clear, my people. They fear him all. He is the only one that truly scared them. Why? Because he gave them woto woto last time. Even for their street, he gave them woto woto. They know in a free and fair election, say Mokurona, ideally, which is not possible in Nigeria. As I always say, before 12 no, Obi go clear everywhere. But it's not possible. We understand the country we find ourselves. We understand many, many factors that need to be control, just to succeed. But you allow everything play open. We know Ugo. Even they said no. That's why they see the monitor upon all they have done. All the copy. They see they look at him. Where he did. They see they know. Otherwise, why don't they analyze about Amici, other politicians? Why Obi all the time? You get the point now. His presence exposes corruption. His record exposes waste. His lifestyle exposes greed. They know say now only his presence, his existence, they show say now no come here to serve Nigerians. He is the only former governor who rejected pension and lifetime benefit. Say you no want. It means say, for instance, from next year, when they say individual will pay tax, part of the money they go use as service these already rich politicians, that is former governors, they go use as service them for life. Collect from people where they make 1 million and above. 1 million and above, oh. For instance, so let's remove 800,000. Let's say 2 million. For a politician where you get mansions, they'll use from those money, taxpayers' money, just for you to understand it. Let me bring it closer to you. That one will contribute to your percentage. From there, they go to service their life. They collect big pays while in office and after office from taxpayers' money. But this man say no want time. Because they say they ask me why they support him. He say no want. The only ex-governor wey never touch anything say, give me house for Lagos or Abuja, you give me security aid, you give me security personnel, you give me this amount of money, this million, change this. No, he dey sponsor himself. After he finish serving, he wash his hands, draw big account for incoming governor. Say why they support him. Before becoming governor, during his time in office, and even after leaving office, now only him and they say they donate to schools and health centers to improve educational system, to improve health. Now the only health governor, upon not saying no they collect anything, they donate for ages. See why they support them? Name one other politician who they do this thing consistently. Just tell me. That's why they are obsessed with him. That's why they keep attacking him. That is why they can't sleep without thinking of his next move. That's why they can't eat without thinking of whatever is writing. You don't fight what you don't fear. Another reason, e be like say they wan preempt Obi. Let's preempt him so that Obi go say, I no go there again, okay? There is also another reason for this interest. They want to block Obi early. They want to stop him from joining Atiku. They are afraid of that combination. So they preempt him so that Obi will not even consider it. Anyway, sleepless night 2027. People don't react to Isemo check comment section. Check. This one said, your tactics in APC is to make sure that the opposition remain divided. Obi joining ADC will be a huge blow for you all. 2027 is the end of APC. This one said, why is the Minister for Aviation worried about presidential aspirant edict on party politics of opposition party? Oga Festus, please take mic and explain. This one said, with national grid collapsing again, it's indeed good time to change the narrative back to political intrigues and hope that no one notices. Now, politics they call play, they are not here to. Nigerians are complaining about high flight rates. I believe they are more concerned about this than about who is going to be the DP in 2027. We are also being dragged globally for our poor medical emergency and management after the AJ accident. These are the issues concerning Nigerians, sir. They are not even sensitive. They don't even read the room, wetin dey go on. They don't really care. Now politics from January to December. After winning election, I see politics, no be governance. In a country where the national grid is fluctuating, no light, economic in shambles, the dear minister is concerned about politics being played by the opposition. Nigerians want to live better. Now, una talk say they vote una for me. They don't vote for you. Make their life better. This one said, Nigerian leaders play politics from January to December. Risk, I repeat, giving very little priority to governance. Recently, Trump called Nigeria a disgraced country and banned our citizens entry into the US. More countries around the world continue to discriminate against our passport holders. The height of it all was sending bombs to our country. But what bothers Nigeria politicians, as usual, is sharing money and playing politics. This one is very long. He wrote many things. See and so, many people they complain about life. Waiting they consign them now where will be. Now don't see and so, waiting I think. Drop up a comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section. See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section. See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section. See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.